Here is an email sent to some of the scientists from USA regarding possible toxicity of pulses grown in North America with high dose of glyphosate and how it might be affecting or poisoning people from India on a mass scale. So here is the email that I sent off with a couple of charts from the Canadian government's data on locally grown lentils in Canada. Hello all. Thanks for the various feedbacks and helpful responses from you all that I went through and will selectively use on my talk, giving credit to you all for the knowledge. I have some following questions with regard to red and green lentils grown in Canada and exported to India, which I suspect may be contributing to the evident runaway epidemic of autoimmune diseases that I see around me that I did not see 10 years ago, although I have not seen any statistics. I include two screenshots from government publications from Canada, from the Grain Commission of Canada regarding lentil production. The first one, which is figure 2, main protein content of Western Canadian lentils. This graph comes with the following text from the government. I read, this graph depicts the annual average protein content of all lentils from 2007 through 2017 and the 10-year, that is 2007 to 16, average. Each point represents the average protein content of lentils in that crop year. A solid line connects these points, showing the variations of the average protein content from 2007 through 2017. The dashed line represents the mean protein content of lentils, 27.1%, over a 10-year period from 2007 to 2016. Average protein from 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, and 2016, which is 27.6, 27.9, 27.1, 28.0, and 27.1%, respectively, were all above or equal to the 10-year average of 27.1, while those from 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, that is 26.8, 26.7, 26.5, 27.0, and 25.9 respectively, were below the 10-year average. Now the second image is a screenshot on the same subject. Table 2 is the protein content from 2017 in 3 different regions of Canada. That's Saskatchewan, Alberta, and Western Canada. I have no idea what's Western Canada if it is not Saskatchewan and Alberta, because it's not grown in British Columbia. So only province left is Manitoba. I suppose that's what it means, or maybe Toronto and Manitoba combined. Anyhow, these figures are not very different from each other, and in all of them the protein content has fallen from 2016 to 2017. I don't know whether this is a trend with relation to glyphosate or not. I would appreciate your comments. Now, to me it appears as if protein content might be constantly falling in Canadian grown lentils over the past 10 years or so. My questions are, number 1, could glyphosate be responsible in the reduction in protein formation apart from other natural causes such as temperature or soil nutrient, etc.? Number 2, if glyphosate can biologically mimic glycine in human protein construction, could the same also happen in lentil seeds? In other words, could glyphosate be found in lentil proteins if tested? Has anybody tested them? Any results? 3, should there be a note of caution or advice to people in India who are importing and eating this lentil to do their own investigation? If yes, what kind of investigation? Lastly, is there any test done by anybody that presence of glyphosate alters the plant physiology And apart from percentage of protein, it also affects a lot of other stuff that a consumer, such as human, eating this stuff might be adversely affected by. If anyone has done such research, can you help me find it so I can read through the results? Thanks and best wishes, Tony Mitra.